Hey yo, so this is something I've been wanting to do for a while. I've been seeing lots of cool projector shots all over Instagram, so I hit up a few friends of mine and one of my buddies let me pinch the software for a little while. So I did a test on myself and got some okay-ish images, but I finally decided to get a model and really test this thing out. So Jade came through and quickly made some graphics and just played around with a few different lighting and colours, and here's what we came up with. It's just trial and error. We kept messing around with the window and the blinds, and I had one of my LEDs with some colored gels acting as a fill light, and I just kept switching the balance between them to try and find the sweet spot. There is a middle point where I could get just enough light to allow me to focus on her, but still dark enough for the projector to be able to shine. Thanks for checking this out. As usual, all the images are in the link in the description below. I am currently saving up for my own projector so I can do some more of these, so please leave some suggestions and Amazon links in the comments and I will check them out. Take care guys, I will see you in the next video. Bye.